Was the headline scary? Are you afraid of living beyond your age of 100? Well, if you are a group of 20 people, be ready. 2 or 3 of you are going to be living beyond the age of 100. Welcome to Subramani. Today I am going to address, this is addressed to people born after 1986. So 1985, 86, if you are born after this, almost all of this will be applicable to you. Very high probability that you will live to the age of 95 plus, if not 100. So 100 is just a number, right? So you could die at 99. That is effectively, as far as planning is concerned, you will have to plan for your age of 100 plus. So let us assume it is 100 that you are likely to live. So let us look at some of the things that will be applicable to you. 1, you will work till the age of 50 or 52. Perish the thought that you are going to work till 60. That is not going to happen. We are a very young country. There will be pressure on from younger people to say, look what this person can do, I can also do, and I will be much cheaper for you to handle. So yes, you will, if you are excellent in your field, like if you are a surgeon or doctor, I am not talking of those people, I am talking of generally a guy or girl who is in service today. Second is, you will hold 3 or 4 jobs in your career, unlike your father or grandfather who held on to one job for 37 years and 38 years. This is unthinkable. You will yourself get bored, or your company will get bored, or people will start assuming, ye to chhod ke nahi jayega ya chhod ke nahi jayegi. So you don't like all that. Then you have peer pressure, friends calling and saying, oh, you're still working with that company. So that the emphasis on still will make sure that you have to change. Somebody will pressurize you to changing. So I don't know what will happen, but yes, you will hold 3-4 jobs and be very different, chalk and cheese, and you will do different kind of work, and you will not be a specialist. You will be more like a generalist, right? So you will be in very complicated relationships. Women in India will have to find better and smarter roles. Corporate India will not do much for you, so you will have to find innovative ways of working from home, or working along with bringing up children, traveling to office once a week, or any of those things. Women should get more demanding, so that corporate India wakes up and does things which are necessary for society. And that includes giving women far more flexibility in working than men. Men and women are not equal. It is the woman who goes and has a baby, and that has an impact on her career. So how to minimize the damage, or what I would think the hurt done to the career, is something which society has to come out with an answer. And you cannot say, oh, women want equal relationship with men. So it's okay, if they have a baby, they should be treated on par. Don't be foolish. It can't work that way. They are made in a special way, so that consideration has to come from corporate India. As of now, I don't see it, so we will see what to do. You also have to remember that one day you will quit your job. And why am I saying this? Because for you, there is going to be no great retirement which is permanent in nature, except which is happening at say 75. But you will take a lot of temporary retirement. A girl will take time off to have a baby and decide to look after the baby for 3 years. A man may decide to take off and look after his parents for 3-4 years. Somebody may nurse a ailing child. Somebody may nurse an ailing parent or an ailing sibling. And for all this, you will need to take time off your career, right? So those things will happen, and amidst all this uncertainty, you will still have to buy a house and pay the EMI and hope that your job is uninterrupted. I wouldn't take a loan which is more than 7-8 years or beyond your age of 53. Be careful. So what should you do to handle all this? Nothing much really. Look after your health, relax, do yoga, do exercise, play some very demanding sport like squash or sprinting. I'm not saying running, right? So sprinting, some of those things are something which you can do, which you have been doing. But looking after your health is as important as looking after your wealth. Thank you.